Ka Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sangma ka kurim jong menteri ramba ka jelau konrat ke sama kala job hak election na Sanpunriu Gambegre constituency kala poi pentian semai hakar punya tarik nai wiang arjar sau. Ya ka Dr. Mehtab Sangma la pentian semai dalam pangring berbar tawan u Thomas Sangma hafiz rekam jong u ha Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hak nailat. Hakini kesingi lawan bandon lang do menteri ramba ka jelau konrat ke sama ki arngot kesembut menteri ramba ka jelau ba Presiden Tunsong berba singam halang dhar ki menteri badan hak kabinet ki MLA berkinang ilam bapa khmat jong parti.
Feels good, madam? Yeah, it was good.
Number from 5th to 6th, Gambegre constituency, Meghalaya. The Honourable Speaker will now administer the oath to the newly elected member, Dr. Mehtab Chandi Aditok Sangma. Honourable Speaker, please.
I, Srimati Mehtab Chandi Aditok Sangma, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Mehtab Chandi Aditok Sangma is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again.
So nice, no? Too good. Going for me, I'm going.
I'm going to share on this.
30th also. Acha, so 1 to 2. So the FRU in Resu, shall we do it on our way to Tuga? With your game? Is it too tight?
Because we should get there by non-circulate traffic.
Or like that? So we'll do it on another day then?
Yeah. Because
After the speech.
after speech. Not in the nomination of
We used to do it, but it's just that we never paid attention, no, that day.
So then,